Hey guys, Jalen from Blackbridge here, and today we got a special delivery that just came in. We're gonna open it together today. So we got a supercharged 650 horsepower LT4 motor that will be mated up to a T56 transmission for a 1958 Corvette. So it's gonna be an awesome build, and can't wait to start. So right here we have the manual transmission for the LT4. This is the Tremec T56, 6-speed. Thank you for checking us out, guys. If you want to see these two being put together, check us out on YouTube, like, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.